Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about reproductive health. Firstly, we have to know about the term reproduction, reproductive system, reproductive organ. These are related to reproductive health. Now we all will the term reproduction. And what is reproduction? We know that reproduction is the biological process when the parents give their young ones by this process. And reproduction is two types, asexual and sexual. Asexual means only one parents are involved in this process, that term is known as asexual. And sexual means when the two parents are involved, male or female, that term is known as sexual. Now we overwhelm the term reproductions and reproductive tract. Reproductive tract is a system that helps in the reproductions. By the help of reproductive organ, the reproduction system is going on. In male, the reproductive organ is penis or testis, and female reproductive organ is vagina, ova, fallopian tube. These are the reproductive organ of the male and female. And the reproductive system is a associated tract between the male and female. After association, the fertilization is going on. Yes, when the male and female is copulated, that means the fertilization is going on. New individuals is begin form. That term is known as fertilization. It is going after the fertilizations. Now, today we will discuss about the male reproductive organ, male reproductive system. Let us know. Here, it is symbol of male reproductive system. So, firstly, male reproduction is start after the adolescence. Adolescence is a maturation phase, both male and female. Okay. Firstly, it shows the puberty. Puberty means it is the age of reproductive organ begin growth. It is the phase or age. Okay. It is started begin 19 to 14 years according to the male and female. It is similar. Now it is similar. After puberty, lots of changes we have seen in our bodies. That means our body begin changes, shape and size begin changes. Lots of hairs comes on male and female in the private part, and the mature ova is begin grow in the female, and the sperms are produced in the male during the adolescence. Burst of hormones activated mutations of the gonad testes. Yes, lots of the hormones begin started after the adolescence, and it is growing in the testes. Begin 19 to 14 years of age. It means adolescence is started now 19 to 14 years of age. In the male, abnormally early precocious puberty. Yes, it is a precocious puberty. It means कि lots of things are cells in your body. Delayed endochloridism. And general physical changes. After the adolescence, lots of physical changes we see in our body in case of male and female. Here we are studying about the male reproductive system. Now, general physical changes of male. That look at this point. Enlargement of external and internal genitalia. It means कि external and internal genitalia begin grow. In case of adolescence, started of the adolescence, external and internal genitalia begin grow. Voice changes. Yes, in case of male and female, the voice begin changing after the adolescence. And hair growth. Hair is comes on the face in case of male, pre and mods, and also comes it in the private parts. Mental changes. Yes, thinking associations apartments comes on in this ages. It means in the adolescence, the gender physical changes also comes into the mental changes. We have to understand what is wrong, what is good. That is the ages we have to consider our terms. And next, changes is body comfortable and conformations and skin. Yes, our body begin changes, our shape and size begin changes. The arms are fully folded and the hairs comes and our voice is changing. That means that it shows you the changes of your body. Now, sebaceous gland secreted thickness encourage acne. Yes, sebaceous glands, that time the sebaceous glands secreted the thickness of hairs into the face, into the private parts, and the acne begin start. And the external genitalia is external genitalia. It means asking about the external genitalia. It means external genitalia is gonad. It is also known as testis and is secreted by the bulb cryptoglotis, scrotum, penis. Here we will look at this picture. It is bladder. The bladder is hollow organ in our lower abdomen that store urine. It means the bladder is a hollow organ in our lower abdomen that store urine for the urinizations. And prostate gland. Prostate gland. The prostate gland is a walnut size. Here, the prostate gland is a walnut size located between the bladder and the penis. That is penis and it is bladder. It is located between the penis and bladder. Prostate gland is a walnut size gland located between the bladder and the penis. Urethra. Urethra, the duct transmitted urine from the bladder. Transmit duct urine from the bladder of the body during urinizations. It means urethra transmitted urine from the bladder to the exterior of the body during urinization. Urinization is formations of urine outside the body. That term is known as urinization, and urethra is a duct that transmitted urine from the bladder to the exteriors of the body during urinizations. Okay. Here it is penis. It is penis. It is the male reproductive organ. It is male reproductive organ and the male sex organ that is used for the getting red wasted liquid having sex. It means having sex. The male secreted the liquid by the help of penis. It means it is very essential organ in the reproductive system in case of male, because by the help of penis the male sex organ that is used for the getting right waste liquid having sex. Okay, here it is scrotum. It is scrotum. It is just like a bag. It contains the pairs of testes that is secreted the sperms. Stores its sperm. The scrotum, it is just like a bag which is located at the base of the penis. Scrotum is located at the base of the penis. Here it is penis. Penis, the male sex organ that is used for getting right waste liquid having sex, and the scrotum. Scrotum, it is just like a bag which is located at the base of the penis. It means it is stored. It is also stored. It is also stored It is also stored. It is also protected the pairs of testes, and scrotum also protect the testes. Rectum. The rectum is the lower part of the large intestine. Yes, rectum is the lower part of the large intestine where our body store stool. It means it's stored the stool. Okay. It means here bladder is working as store urine. Prostate gland. It is located between the bladder and the penis. Urethra. It is help to transmitted urine during the urinizations. Penis. Penis is very essential organ for the male reproductive system because by this process the ragged waste liquid comes outside having sex. Scrotum, it is the protected bag of the testes. It contains the testes. And rectum, rectum is the lower part of the large intestine where our body stores a stool.